Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super important topic: how to send Bitcoin from your Coinbase wallet to your Ledger Nano X in 2025. With the crypto world evolving faster than ever, keeping your digital assets secure on a hardware wallet like the Ledger Nano X is a game changer. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, this step-by-step guide will have you transferring BTC safely in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure your Ledger Nano X is set up and updated to the latest firmware. In 2025, Ledger might have new security features, so double-check for any updates via the Ledger Live app. Once that's done, open your Coinbase Wallet app on your phone or computer. You'll need to log in with your credentials. Remember, always use two-factor authentication for extra protection. Next, on your Ledger Nano X, navigate to the Bitcoin app. This is where you'll generate a receiving address. Plug in your device, enter your PIN, and select the option to view your BTC address. Write it down or keep it on screen, never share it publicly. Now, head back to Coinbase Wallet. Go to your Bitcoin balance, hit the Send button, and paste that receiving address into the To field. Double-check everything. The amount you're sending, the fees, which might be lower in 2025 due to network upgrades, and the address to avoid any costly mistakes. Before you confirm, take a breath. Crypto transactions are irreversible. Hit Send, and you'll get a confirmation notification. On your ledger, approve the transaction when prompted. It should only take a few minutes for the BTC to appear in your Ledger wallet, depending on network congestion. And just like that, you've successfully moved your Bitcoin to a more secure spot. Always remember, in 2025, with potential new regulations and tech advancements, staying vigilant against scams is key. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching. Stay safe out there.